Follow me, say LeEco Le S3, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So to get started, you want to hold the power key in order to power off the device, and once you see the slide down to power off, you just want to do that and wait for the device to shut off. Now once the device is off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of those keys at the same time. And when you see the LeEco, you can let go. Also you can see recovery right here. Give it a moment and we should be done in the recovery. And there we are. So from here you can do only two things. You can either update your system, as you can see, or clear data, or well, do both of them at the same time by tapping on both of them. So that's about it. Now if you want to leave this mode, all you really need to do is tap on restart, and the device will now power off and then back on into the Android system. And there we go. So now we're back in Android. I can put in the PIN code for the SIM card, and there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.